This is the Mad Hippie Sheer Tint Sun Serum. I absolutely love this. It's been a game changer for me for my skincare routine in the mornings. So after I do my normal morning routine with all my other Mad Hippie products, I finish off with this. It's summertime right now, and I don't like wearing a lot of makeup in the summer. So this gives you just a little bit of that glow, and it has really good coverage, and it's sunscreen. So definitely a must-have for the summer. You shake it up, you can hear there's a metal ball in there to help get it nice and shaken up. And then here you go, you can see the color. This is the medium, the light medium color. So I just apply it just like I would normal moisturizer, and I just rub it all over, and you can see that it goes on pretty well in terms of color. I feel like it matches my skin tone pretty well, and it doesn't even look like I'm really wearing anything on my face, but I feel like it kind of evens everything out. I really like how it feels. I like how it goes on. It feels like a normal moisturizer to me. I do also have the Mad Hippie regular sun serum, which goes on the same, but it's clear. So I really enjoy this. This is all I've been doing since I got this, is just putting this on. I don't put any other makeup on, and it really just, it feels nice on your skin, and it helps when you don't have to have makeup melting off your face when it's so hot outside. So definitely recommend, check it out, the Mad Hippie Sheer Tint Sun Serum. They also have it in a darker shade as well. But again, this is the light medium. Definitely check it out.